Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
आवाज
हो सर येतोय.
नेक्स्ट इकडे फक्त वर्ड फाईल शेअर करू द्या ओपन झालेली. Now in this lecture we study physico-chemical properties of major constituents of milk. लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण मेजर कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ऑफ मिल्क कुठले बघितलेलं आहे. आता ह्या लेक्चर मध्ये त्यांच्या फिजिको केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज काय हे आपण शिकणार आहे. स्क्रीन शेअर होते ना?
हो सर झाली. झाली सर.
ओके ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट फिजिको मेजर कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स आणि मायनर कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स. फर्स्ट मेजर कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट वॉटर. पहिला जो आपला मेजर कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट आहे वॉटर. Water serve as a medium in which the other milk constituents are either dissolved or suspended. म्हणजे दुधातलं जे वॉटर आहे it serve as a medium for other milk constituents. कुठले मिल्क कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स? प्रोटीन, फॅट, carbohydrates, mineral matter, ash. Is as a medium either dissolved or suspended state. म्हणजे बाकीचे जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट आहेत they should be present in dissolved state or suspended म्हणजे turbidity type दिसते. This water is not different for ordinary water. Milk water and ordinary water both are same and most of the water is free. म्हणजे ह्याच्यातलं जे water आहे ते काय almost free, it not bind with any other milk constituents and very small amount of it is in the bond form where it is strongly bound by milk proteins, phospholipids. कशी binding होईल याच्यामध्ये? A very small amount of it is in the bond form. म्हणजे कुठला बॉन्ड तयार होईल? प्रोटीन्स अँड फॉस्फोलिपिड्स दे फॉर्म्स द इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. म्हणजे प्रोटीन्स मधला NH किंवा कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडचा C++OOH अल्फा अमायनो ऍसिडचा they forms intermolecular hydrogen bonding with the water molecules and this amount is present in is very small amount. This is about the water. Waterच्या काय प्रॉपर्टी आहेत? Water serve as a medium in which the other milk constituents are either dissolved or suspended first, and this water is not different from ordinary water. That means this water and ordinary water both are same. Most of the water is free and very small amount of water it is in the bond form where it is strongly bound by milk proteins, phospholipids, etc. This is first. Second major milk constituent is milk fat. It is also called the lipid portions. Milk fat exists in milk in the form of minute globules. कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये येते? minute globules, small particles like of 2 to 5 micron size. प्रत्येकाची साइज किती आहे? 2 to 5 micron size. And these globules are in the dispersed phase in water, thus forming a true emulsions of the oil in water type. म्हणजे दुधामध्ये जे ऑइल्स हे आहे lipids they present in emulsions form of oil in water type. Oil हे water मध्ये presented water type. Milk fat exists in the form of minute globules म्हणजे small असे dot particles असतात. त्यांची साइज किती आहे ह्याची? 2 to 5 micron. And these globules are either in the dispersed phase in water, thus forming a true emulsions of the soil in water type. Second, each globule of fat is surrounded by an adsorbed layer. Each globule of fat, that means these particles surrounded by an adsorbed layer made up of protein and phospholipids. म्हणजे suppose these are the globules type in the milk portion. This is milk portions like this, and this globule is surrounded by the proteins and as well as phospholipids. लक्षात आलं? हे असे सराउंड होईल. Now third property milk fat ची continue. This layer is known as the fat globule membrane. त्या लेअरला काय म्हणलेलं आहे? Fat globule membrane. and this membrane maintains the stability of the membrane by keeping the globules separated from one another. That means they separated by one another. दोन globule असतील तर they should form the separations. That means first globule membrane, so suppose these are two globules present in the milk proteins. Firstly, they are surrounded by proteins and phospholipids. And this is the layer also surrounded by proteins and phospholipids. That means these two globules membranes are separated by the using protein and phospholipid. And this membrane called, ह्या membrane ला काय म्हणलेलं आहे? Fat globules membrane. ह्या membrane ला काय म्हणलेलं आहे? Fat globules membrane. By keeping globules separated from one another and preventing their merger into each other to forming bigger globules. जर हे दोन merge झाले तर काय होईल? We get bigger globules. This is second property. Each globule of fat is surrounded by an adsorbent layer made up of protein and phospholipid in the form of a complex. This layer is known as the fat globule membrane, and this membrane maintains the stability of the membrane by keeping the globules separated from one another and preventing their merger into each other to form a bigger globules. Third, the emulsion may be broken by agitation process. The emulsion जे कसं break होईल? The emulsion may be broken by agitation at low temperature, heating, freezing. Heat करायचं परत freeze करायचं. And when milk is held undisturbed, the fat globules tend to rise to the surface to form a cream layer. आपण दूध केल्यानंतर गरम केल्यानंतर जर सेटल करायला ठेवलं तर काय होईल? त्याच्यावरती क्रीम सेपरेट होते. सेम. The emulsion may be broken by agitation at low temperature, heating, freezing, etc. When milk is held undisturbed, the fat globules tend to rise to the surface to form a cream layer, and the thickest cream layer is obtained from milk which has higher fat content. कुठल्या साय जाड भेटेल आपल्याला? The thickest cream layer is obtained from milk which has higher fat content. म्हणजे ज्याच्यामध्ये higher fat content असल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय भेटेल? The cream should be thick and relatively large fat globules such as buffalo milk compared to cow milk. म्हणजे buffalo milk ची जी cream आहे, it should have thickest, जाडणे जास्त असते, म्हणजे साईज अशी आपल्याला जाड दिसते. कशापेक्षा? cow milk पेक्षा. This is third property of milk fat. The emulsion may be broken by agitation at low temperature. The emulsion कसं break करणार आपण? Agitation method नी at low temperature, heating and freezing. गरम करायचं आणि cool. When milk is held undisturbed, the fat globules tend to rise to the surface. जर milk आपण ज्यावेळेस heat करू undisturbed, the fat globules tend to rise to the surface to form a cream layer. And the thickest cream layer is obtained from milk which has higher fat content and relatively large fat globules such as buffalo milk compared to the cow milk. Milk fat is not a single chemical compound. Milk fat हे एकच compound नाही, but a variable mixture of several different glycerides. Milk fat काय? Milk fat is not a single chemical compound, but a variable mixture of several different glycerides. And each glyceride is made up from the union of glycerol and one or more organic acid, which are termed as the fatty acids. Milk fat काय? These are the mixture of several glycerides. And glycerides काय? Each glyceride is made up from the union of glycerol and one or more organic acid, which are termed as fatty acid. That means this milk fat is a fatty acids or glyceride ester of glycerides, and thus on hydrolysis of milk fat is a mixture of glycerol and fatty acid is obtained. ज्यावेळेस आपण milk fat hydrolysis केल्यानंतर काय भेटेल आपल्याला? Glycerol and fatty acid is obtained their products. Now next, fifth property, milk fat is one of the most complex natural fats as it contains large number of fatty acids such as butyric acid, caprylic acid, oleic acid and stearic acid. कुठले milk fat मध्ये acid आहेत fatty acid? Such as number of fatty acids such as butyric acid, caprylic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid. Fatty acids are saturated and unsaturated. Fatty acids काय? Saturated and unsaturated. Unsaturated means Some fatty acids contain carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. Aromatic ring नाही. Unsaturated साठी काय? Carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bonds. Fatty acids are saturated and unsaturated. Saturated ones are relatively stable. म्हणजे ज्याच्यामध्ये carbon-carbon double bond नाही, these are the relatively stable. However, unsaturated play an important role in the physicochemical properties of milk fat. जो carbon-carbon double bond आहे fatty acids मध्ये, it should be the play important role in the physicochemical properties of the milk fat. This is fifth property. Since milk fat is a mixture of different fats, it is mixture of different fats. It cannot have a true melting point. याच्यामध्ये मिक्सचर असल्यामुळे काय त्याला एक डेफिनेट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट असेल का? Not. It is a mixture of several fatty acids. Example: butyric acid, oleic acid, stearic acid. That's why it does not have a sharp melting point or true melting point. It may vary between 29 to 36 degrees Celsius. It varies झालेल्या कशातून 29 to 30 degrees Celsius depending upon the proportion of hard and soft acid present. त्याच्यामध्ये कुठला ऍसिड प्रेझेंट आहे? Hard acids आहे का or soft milk fat? Depends on the melting point of this milk fat is present. In milk fat should not have definite melting point due to presence of mixtures of fatty acids or fatty glycerides. Fatty acids असल्यामुळे त्याला definite melting point नाही. It should be vary in the range of 29 to 36 degrees Celsius. Milk fat is insoluble in water. Milk fat is insoluble in water. तो पाण्यात soluble होतं का नाही? Therefore, milk fat is insoluble in water, but it can absorb 0.2% of it. म्हणजे त्यातलं 0.2% हे absorb होतं. It is soluble in ether, carbon disulfide, nitrobenzene and in acetone. कशामध्ये solubility जास्त आहे याची? In ethers, carbon disulfide, nitrobenzene and in acetone. Milk fat absorbs volatile odors very readily and therefore milk and milk products should not be stored near the source of volatile odors. Milk fat हे कशाचा? Sensitive to the odors very readily and therefore milk and milk products should not be stored at the source of volatile odors such as onion, garlic and fish. ह्याच्याजवळ ठेवलं तर काय होईल? त्या प्रोडक्टला त्याचा स्मेल येईल. जर तुम्ही दूध ह्याच्याजवळ ठेवलं कांद्याजवळ किंवा लसणाजवळ ठेवलं तर त्यांचा वास लागतो. Therefore, they should not be kept near such as compounds or substances such as onion, garlic and fish. They liberate the volatile gases and which absorbed by the milk and milk products and contaminated. These are the physical properties of milk fat. Milk fat च्या property लक्षात आल्या? Milk fat काय आहे? What is the milk fat? Milk fat exists in milk in the form of minute globules of 2 to 5 micron size. These globules are in dispersed phase in water. Dispersed phase मध्ये आहेत. Forming a true emulsion. कुठल्या टाइपचं emulsion आहे? Oil in water type. First property आहे त्याची. Second काय? Each fat globule of fat is surrounded by an adsorbed made up of layer made up of protein and phospholipids. हे सगळे globules कशाने surrounded आहेत? Adsorbed by protein and phospholipid in the form of a complex. And this layer is known as the fat globule membrane. ह्या लेयरला काय म्हणलेलं आहे त्याने? Fat globule membrane म्हणलेलं आहे. And this membrane maintains the stability of the membrane by keeping fat globules separated. ह्या membrane काय होतात? दोन्ही फॅट ग्लोब्युल्स हे वेगवेगळे आहेत from one another and preventing their merger into other to form bigger globules. Third काय? The emulsion may be broken by agitations. Emulsion कसं ब्रेक केलेलं आहे? By agitation process at low temperature, heating, freezing. When milk is undisturbed, the fat globules tend to rise. ज्यावेळेस मिल्क आपण काय खराब हलवणार नाही, स्थिर ठेवलं हिटिंग नंतर काय होईल? The fat globules tend to rise on the surface to form a cream layer, and the thickest cream layer is obtained from milk which has higher fat content and relatively large fat globules such as buffalo milk compared to cow milk. Fourth, milk fat is not a single chemical compound. Milk fat is a single chemical compound nahi, but a variable mixture of several different glycerides. वेगवेगळे glyceride आहे and each glyceride is made up from the union of glycerol and one or more organic acid. Esters आहेत हे, esters of fatty acids which are termed as fatty acid and thus on hydrolysis milk fat use a mixture of glycerol and fatty acid is obtained. Next, milk fat is one of the most complex natural fat. ह्याच्यामध्ये complex natural काय variety of the natural fatty acids are present. Large number of fatty acids. त्याच्यामुळे complex आहे. कुठले आहेत large number? Butyric acid, caffeic acid, oleic acid and stearic acid. Fatty acids are saturated and unsaturated. Fatty acids कसे आहेत? Saturated आणि unsaturated आहेत. And saturated ones are relatively stable. However, unsaturated played an important role in the physicochemical properties of milk fat. Milk fat is mixture of different fats. They have not a true melting point, but vary between 29 to 36 degrees Celsius, depending upon the proportion of hard and soft milk fat present. Insoluble in water, absorb about 0.2% of it, and soluble in ether, carbon disulfide, nitrobenzene, and therefore milk and milk products should not be stored near the source of volatile odors such as onion, garlic, fish, etc. Now, next constituent of milk is milk proteins. Milk proteins काय? Proteins are among the most complex organic substance. Proteins काय? Most complex organic substance. कशापासून बनतात? It is made up from the alpha amino acid. Alpha amino acids काय करतील? Amides, and these amides undergo polymerizations to form peptides, and त्या peptides ला आपण काय म्हणतो? Milk proteins. And they contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes phosphorus. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय काय? Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. And protein is an essential part of the food of animals. It is constituent of the protoplasm. Why it is main constituent? It is the part of the protoplasm which forms the vital part of living cells. Living cells form करण्यासाठी हे उपयोगी आहे. Now next, proteins are compound of a large number of amino acids. Proteins काय? It is a composed of a large number of amino acids. त्याच्यामध्ये जास्त प्रमाणात amino acids आहेत. And some essential and other non-essential. म्हणजे काही essential amino acids आहेत आणि काही non-essential. Near about 20 natural amino acids, and out of 20, 7 to 8 are the essential amino acids. That means these amino acids are not synthesized in our body. Essential कशाला म्हणायचं? जे amino acids आपल्या शरीरात तयार होत नाहीत, but required for our body development or body growth. Such amino acids are called the essentials. And in non-essential, they should be present in our body. The essential amino acids are necessary in the diet for the formation of body proteins. कशासाठी आवश्यक आहेत? की body proteins तयार करण्यासाठी हे आवश्यक आहेत. On hydrolysis, proteins give a mixture of amino acids. जर proteins hydrolysis केल्यानंतर काय होईल? जी amide bond break, C double bond energy linkage, that is the amide linkage, they break CO1, CN bond break होईल आणि we converted into amino acids. C double bond OH आणि त्याच compound मध्ये NH2 तयार असणार. Such compounds called the amino acids. On hydrolysis, proteins give a mixtures of the amino acids. The main proteins of milk are casein, beta-lactoglobin, alpha-albumins. Milk मध्ये कुठले proteins present आहेत? The main proteins of milk are casein, beta-lactoglobin, alpha-albumins. हे तीन proteins present आहेत. Casein, beta-lactoglobin and alpha-albumins. Caseins exist only in milk. Casein फक्त आपल्याला दुधातून भेटेल. And it is found in the form of calcium caseinate phosphate complex. कुठल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे तो? Calcium caseinate phosphate complex ह्याच्यामध्ये तो प्रेझेंट आहे. And it is present in milk in colloidal state. हा कुठल्या स्टेट मध्ये? Colloidal state. It contributes to the whiteness of milk. दुधाला जो व्हाईट कलर आहे, white occurs, it is due to the calcium caseinate phosphate complex. हा जो कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे त्याच्यामुळे आपल्या मिल्कला जो कलर आहे, व्हाईट कलर, it is due to this complex. It contributes to the whiteness of milk. In its pure state, it is a snow white. किती प्रकार असेल तो? मध्ये असेल. आवाज बारीक करा. Odorless and tasteless. त्याला odor नाही आणि taste सुद्धा नाही. Commercial grade casein is a yellowish white granular substance. आणि commercial grade चा जो casein आहे तो कसा आहे? Yellowish white granular substance. Next, casein can be precipitated from milk by dilute acid. कसं casein आपल्याला सेपरेट करता येईल दुधापासून? it is precipitated from milk by dilute acids. दुधामध्ये dilute acid टाकायचं, दूध खराब होईल. Renin, alcohol, heat, concentration. Casein itself composed of alpha, beta and gamma fractions. म्हणजे परत केजिनचे किती 3 टाइपचे केजेस आहेत. One is alpha, other is beta and third is gamma fractions. Casein can be precipitated from milk by dilute acids, renin, alcohol, heat and concentration. हे लक्षात ठेवा. And there are so many industrial applications of casein. Casein चे भरपूर industrial applications. It is used in the manufacture of plastic, paper, glue, paints, fiber, rubber, etc. It has a lot of industrial application and used in the manufacture of plastic, paper, glue, paints, fiber and rubbers. These are the physico-chemical properties of proteins. Protein च्या काय physical chemical property आहेत? Milk fat exists in the form of minute globules of 2 to 5 micron size. These globules are in the dispersed phase in water, thus forming a true emulsions of the oil in water types. म्हणजे emulsions type मध्ये सॉरी मिल्क फॅट लावलो आपण वाटतं मिल्क प्रोटीन वरती आलो हा इथं. Proteins most complex organic substance आहे. They contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and sometimes or phosphorus. म्हणजे प्रोटीनचे काय काय कॉम्पोनंट आहेत? कार्बन, हायड्रोजन, ऑक्सिजन, नायट्रोजन, सल्फर हे एलिमेंट प्रेझेंट असू शकतात आणि काही वेळेस फॉस्फरस. दे आर कॅरेक्टराइज्ड चिफली बाय द फॅक्ट दॅट दे कंटेन नायट्रोजन्स. ते कशावरून कॅरेक्टराइज केलेले आहेत? प्रेझेन्स ऑफ नायट्रोजन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ NH फंक्शनल ग्रुप. And protein is an essential part of the food animals as a chief constituent of the protoplasm, which forms a vital part of the living cell. Proteins are composed of large number of amino acids, some essential and other non-essential. The essential amino acids are necessary in the diet in the formation of body proteins. On hydrolysis, proteins give a mixture of amino acids. The main proteins of milks are casein, beta lactoglobin and alpha album. हे 3 टाइपचे प्रोटीन्स आहेत. मेन casein exist only in milk, फक्त दुधात exist आहे. कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये ऑकर होतो? कॅल्शियम casein phosphate complex present in colloidal state. It contributes to the whiteness of milk. In its pure state, it is snow white, odorless and tasteless. And commercial grade casein is yellowish white granular substances. Casein कसं precipitate केलंय? By milk adding dilute acids, renin, alcohol, heat and concentration composed of alpha, beta and gamma fractions. It has applications in the plastic, paper, glue, paints, fiber and rubber. Now next, milk sugar or lactose. Fourth component काय? Milk sugar or lactose. वाबळे अक्षय आहे का? वाबळे अक्षय आहे
सर.
नंतर शुभम वाडेकर,
Yes, sir.
वैष्णवी खेडकर,
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक आहे. म्हणजे तुम्ही क्लासरूम मध्ये आहे. मी तर स्क्रीनला कसं काय दिसत नाही म्हणून बघत होतो मी फक्त. ओके नेक्स्ट, मिल्क प्रोटीन काय झालं बाबा आपलं? मिल्क शुगर और लॅक्टोज. चौथ्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंटचे आपण आता फिजिको केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बघतोय. इट एक्झिस्ट ओनली इन मिल्क. मिल्क शुगर मध्ये लॅक्टोज कशामध्ये? फक्त दुधात आहे. बाकी आपल्याला लॅक्टोज कुठं भेटणार नाही. बाकीच्या जे शुगर आपले जे आहे ते सुक्रोज. इट इज कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ ग्लुकोज. इट इज इन ट्रू सोल्युशन इन मिल्क सिरम. On crystallization from water, it's from hard gritty crystals. जर crystallization केलं तर आपल्याला त्याचं काय भेटेल? लॅक्टोजचं hard gritty crystals. It is a reducing disaccharide. Lactose काय? It is a reducing disaccharide which is made up of one molecule of a galactose and one molecule of a glucose. हे लक्षात ठेवा. MCQ मध्ये आपल्याला अशा टाइपचे प्रश्न विचारू शकतात. What is the composition of lactose? It is made up of one molecule of the galactose and one molecule of glucose. It is a reducing disaccharide. हे सुद्धा important आहे. Reducing disaccharide लक्षात ठेवा. Lactose is a reducing disaccharide which is made up of one molecule of galactose and one molecule of glucose. It has same molecular formula C12H22O11. Molecular formula काय आहे लॅक्टोजचा? C12H22O11 as ordinary cane sugar or sucrose. Ordinary cane sugar आणि lactose जवळपास same molecular formula आहे, but their joining units are the difference. It differs from sugar in molecular configuration, relative sweetness. कशामध्ये फरक आहे? Molecular configuration and relative sweetness. त्याची गोड जी आहे ती त्यामध्ये different आहे. Sucrose is about 6 times as sweet as lactose. Sucrose किती आहे? 6 times जास्त गोड आहे as lactose and about 3 times more soluble in water. This हे लक्षात ठेवा. Sucrose is about 6 times as sweet as lactose. म्हणजे 6 पटीनं साखर ही गोड आहे कशापेक्षा? लॅक्टोज पेक्षा and 3 times more soluble. ती पाण्यामध्ये 3 पट जास्त soluble होते. लक्षात आलं? Next property, chemically lactose occurs in two forms, alpha and more soluble beta. दोन फॉर्म आहेत. One is alpha form and more soluble is the beta form. Alpha आणि beta मधले कुठला more soluble आहे? Beta form is the more soluble and both of these forms may occur as either in the hydrate or anhydrate state. म्हणजे lactose dot H2 असं configuration असं किंवा anhydrate state म्हणजे they remove the water molecules. Chemically, lactose occurs in two forms, the alpha and more soluble beta, and both of these forms may occur as either the hydrate or anhydrate. Lactose has an important role in the manufacture of cultured milk. Lactose role काय? It is important in the manufacture of cultured milk and milk products by storing. त्याच्यामध्ये आंबटपणा आणून milk products. Bacteria can easily decompose lactose. That means lactic acid lactose is converted into lactic acid by the lactobacillus. Lactobacillus नावाच्या बॅक्टेरिया असतात. ते काय करतात? मायक्रोबियल ऑक्सिडेशन होतात. जे लॅक्टोज आहे म्हणजे दूध आंबट होतं पहा किंवा दुधाला काही वेळेस आंबट स्मेल येतो, सोरिंग स्मेल ड्यू टू प्रेझेन्स ऑफ दिस बॅक्टेरिया अँड दिस बॅक्टेरिया ऑक्सिडायझेस. त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं? पर्टिक्युलरली लॅक्टोज इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द लॅक्टिक ऍसिड अँड धिस फर्मेंटेशन फॉर्म्स लॅक्टिक ऍसिड इन मिल्क टू give the characteristics of sour state. म्हणजे दुधाला जे sour state कशामुळे येते? Due to this lactic acid. The lactic acid and other organic acid formed during the fermentation of sugar play an important role in checking the growth of undesirable organisms. Undesirable organisms कुठले ग्रो झालेत का त्याच्यासाठी उपयोगी? And otherwise the dairy products would undergo rapid decomposition, becoming unfit as a food. मग त्यावेळेस ते काय होतील? अनफिट होतील फूड साठी. दिस इज द रिएक्शन. Lactose C12H22O11 plus water, lactose enzyme, that is enzymes lactobacillus like this, they converted into glucose and galactose 1,1 molecules. This is about the carbohydrates or milk sugar. Milk sugar मध्ये काय आपल्याला इथं लॅक्टोज आहे मिल्क शुगर म्हणून. It exists only in milk. ही फक्त दुधात सापडते. It is in true solution in milk serum. On crystallization from water, it forms hard gritty crystals. It is a reducing disaccharide which is made up of one molecule of glucose and one molecule of the galactose. It has same molecular formula with that of sucrose like C12H22O11 as ordinary cane sugar or sucrose. It differs from sucrose in molecular configurations, relative sweetness. काय फरक आहे दोघात? Molecular configuration and relative sweetness. Sucrose is about 6 times as sweet as lactose. 6 पट गोड आहे आपलं सुक्रोज लॅक्टोज पेक्षा and 3 times more soluble in water. Lactose occurs in two forms. One is alpha and other is more soluble beta. And both of these forms may occur as either hydrated or unhydrated. Lactose has an important role in the manufacture of cultured milk and milk products by storing. Bacteria easily decompose lactose into lactic acid. Lactic acid त्याच्यामध्ये convert करतील. And the lactic acid and other organic acid formed during fermentation of sugar play an important role in checking the growth of undesirable organisms. Otherwise, the dairy products would undergo rapid decomposition and becoming unfit as food. Unfit होईल आपल्याला खाण्यासाठी हे. These are the properties of milk, sugar or lactose. Last major constituent is mineral matter or ash. हा आपला शेवटचा constituent आहे major. Mineral matter or ash काय? Milk is dried first. म्हणजे दुधाला पूर्ण ड्राय करायचं, evaporate all waters. म्हणजे दुधामध्ये जे काही पाणी आहे ते काय करायचं? पूर्ण evaporate करायचं first. Then residue burn. We burn the residue. Whatever the residue remains, त्याला काय करायचं? जाळायचं. A white powder remains known as ash or mineral matter of the original milk. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Mineral matter or ash of the original milk, which is about 0.7%. म्हणजे त्यांचं composition किती आहे? 0.7%. Ash or mineral matter काय? Milk is dried first, then the residue burnt. A white powder remains known as ash or mineral matter of the original milk, which is about 0.7%. Next, although milk is acidic, दूध आपला acidic आहे. Why? It presents the lactose, some amino acids and fatty acids. Therefore, it is acidic. Ash is distinctly basic. Ash चं nature काय आहे? Basic in nature. Milk चं nature काय आहे? Acidic आहे. Milk ash contains. Why it is basic in nature? The reason behind milk ash contains potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, sulfate, chloride, bicarbonate as the major salt constituents. हे major salt constituent असल्यामुळं ash is distinctly basic in nature. Milk ash contains potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, sulfate, chloride, bicarbonate as the major salt constituent. That's why milk ash is basic in nature. And the trace element include iron, copper, zinc, aluminum, manganese, cobalt and iodine. आणि काय कमी प्रमाणामध्ये काय सापडतात आपल्याला? Trace elements include iron, copper, zinc, aluminum, manganese, cobalt, iodine. The mineral matter or salts of milk, although present in small quantities. The mineral matter or salts of milk, although present in small quantities, exert considerable influence on physico-chemical properties as well as nutritive value of the milk. Part of the mineral salt that occur in true solution, while some part in the colloidal state. काही part कशामध्ये आहे? In solution state मध्ये आहे आणि काही part हा colloidal state. These are the properties of mineral matter or ash. काय property आहे? Milk is dried first, then residue burn. A white powder remains. That powder is known as ash or mineral matter of the original milk, which is about 0.7%. त्यांचं composition किती आहे? 0.7%. Milk is acidic in nature, but ash is distinctly basic in nature. Milk आपलं acidic आहे, ash basic आहे. Why ash basic? They contains potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, sulfate, chloride, bicarbonate. All these are the basic salts as the major salt constituent. That's why ash basic in nature. And trace element कुठले found होतात? Copper, zinc, aluminum, manganese, cobalt and iodines. The mineral matters or salt of milk present in small quantities, considerable influence on physico-chemical properties and nutritive value of milk, and property of the mineral salts that occur in solutions, and while some parts in the colloidal state. These are the physico-chemical properties of major constituents of milk. ह्याच्यामध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का कुणाला? प्रॉब्लेम आहे का काही?
नाही सर.
ओके, आता नेक्स्ट आपलं द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ मायक्रोबियल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज. आपले जे मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहेत दुधात त्याचे काय प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत? फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आहे तो एन्झाइम्स, म्हणजे दुधामध्ये एन्झाइम्स तयार होतात. फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट्स. Microorganism transforms the food elements in the milk to a chemical or physical form which they can utilize. म्हणजे मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम काय केलेलं आहे? Transform the food elements in the milk to a chemical or physical form which they can utilize. Second, they produce enzymes to carry out these changes. आपल्या दुधामध्ये जे काही चेंजेस होतात, they produce enzymes, and enzymes produce केल्यामुळे all these changes are occur. Most of the physiological activities of microorganisms are due to enzymes. Microorganism's activity कशामुळे? Due to enzymes, and these thus changes in constituent milk and dairy products attributable to microorganisms are brought about by their enzymes. म्हणजे जे आपले दुधाचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट आहे, मिल्क कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ॲज वेल ॲज डेअरी प्रोडक्ट्स attributable to microorganisms. हे microorganism related आहे. And what are the changes bring about by their enzymes? जे काही enzymes ते secrete करते त्याच्यानुसार ते आपल्या दुधामध्ये changes होतील. There are different types of enzymes which with its specific actions. वेगवेगळे enzymes आहेत. They have specific actions. Sweet curdling of milk without storing is one of the effects of enzymes. गोड दही जे तयार होतं, sweet curdling of milk without storing, त्याच्यामध्ये आंबटपणा येतात, is one of the effects of enzymes. तो एन्झाईमचा इफेक्ट आहे. This occurs due to production of renin. तो कशामुळे आलेला आहे? Why the sweet curdling occurs? Due to the production of renin like enzymes which causes coagulation of proteins, thus acting on the casein of milk. That's why the sweet curdling is occur. This is the first product, enzymes. पहिला प्रोडक्ट काय? मायक्रोबियल ग्रोथचा एन्झाईम्स आहे. एन्झाईम्स काय? मेन फंक्शन्स. Microorganisms transform the food elements in milk to a chemical or physical form which they can utilize. जे काही फूड एलिमेंट्स आहेत इन द मिल्क टू ए केमिकल और फिजिकल फॉर्म, जे काही फॉर्म असतो त्याचा ट्रान्सफर कशामुळे होतं ते इन द मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स मध्ये. अँड व्हाय मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स कॅरी दिस ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन्स? बिकॉज दे प्रोड्यूस एन्झाईम्स. ते एन्झाईम्स प्रोड्यूस करतात, त्याच्यामुळे ह्या ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन्स ब्रिंग आउट होतात टू कॅरी आउट दिस चेंजेस. अँड मोस्ट ऑफ द फिजिओलॉजिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज ऑफ मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आर ड्यू टू द enzymes. जे काही physiological activities of microorganisms आहेत त्या कशामुळे? Enzymes. Thus enzymes in the changes in the constituent of milk and dairy products attributable to the microorganisms are brought about by their enzymes. There are different types of enzymes with each with its specific action. Enzyme ची action ही specific असते. ते एकच ऍक्शन. लायपेज म्हणल्यानंतर ते लायपेज ऍक्शन करतात. लॅक्टोबॅसिलस they bring the oxidations of only lactose. दुसरं कुठल्याही constituents oxidation. Then that means enzymes are specific in their actions. One example of this sweet curdling of milk without storing is one of the effects of enzyme. जे गोड दही तयार होतं without storing due to the action of enzymes. आणि ही action कशामुळे होते? This occurs due to the production of renin like enzymes. Renin तयार होतं enzymes मिल्क मध्ये, त्यामुळे ते कन्वर्ट इनटू स्वीट कर्लिंग विच कॉजेस कोआगुलेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन. हे काय करतात? कोआगुलेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन, thus acting on the casein of milks. This is the first product. Second product, decomposition products of fat, proteins and sugar. Decomposition product कशाचं बघायचं आपल्याला? फॅट, प्रोटीन्स, शुगर्स. पहिला होता एन्झाईम्स, दुसरा आहे डिकॉम्पोजिशन प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ फॅट, प्रोटीन्स आणि शुगर. Fats are broken down principally into their component parts, glycerol and fatty acid. Fats काय? It is glycerides of the fatty acids. Therefore, they break down into their components, glycerol and fatty acid. Rare acidity is butter is one of the defects of this process. आपल्याला बटर तयार केल्यानंतर काही वेळेस थोडा बॅड स्मेल येतो. That is the rare acidity in butter is one of the defects of this process. Proteins may break down into amino acids, other organic acids, alcohols, aromatic compounds, gases, and intermediate products too. बाकीचं काय? Proteins may break down into amino acids, other organic acids, alcohols, aromatic compounds, gases, intermediate products too, and the ripening of these cheese is a good example of such process, and this process is called proteolysis, gives desirable flavor to the cheese. And proteolysis causing of the undesirable odors is also possible to occur. And sugars may break down into alcohols, acids, water, carbon dioxide, hydrogen to the intermediate products. Soaring is most common observed. These are caused by lactic acid bacteria. Okay. आपला आता टाइम संपेल. We stop today here. We next continue in the Monday lectures. ह्याच्यात काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही ना? हॅलो हॅलो
नाही